Why do we yawn? A single breath can suddenly reset your tired brain. You cannot stop it once it starts. Your jaw stretches wide, pulling in a massive rush of cool air. Why does this happen? Scientists discovered that your brain acts like a hot computer. When you get tired, your brain overheats. This deep breath acts like a cooling fan, lowering your internal temperature instantly. It wakes you up when you are weary. Your body is constantly looking out for you. It runs deep prehistoric systems to keep your mind sharp. Every yawn is just a quick biological reboot. Even your ancient ancestors shared this hidden reflex. Next time you feel a yawn coming, embrace the chill. Did you already know your body was doing this?